On February 9th, 1942, in the port of New York, a tragic mistake destroyed one of the greatest ocean liners ever built. While being converted into a wartime troop ship, a worker's welding torch accidentally ignited a stack of life vests. The fire spread with terrifying speed, engulfing the luxurious decks in a matter of minutes. Desperate firefighters poured thousands of tons of water onto the ship, causing the top-heavy giant to capsize right at her pier. A senseless error forever silenced this masterpiece of Art Deco, a vessel born to embody human triumph and beauty.
Had been born of brilliance and built to redefine elegance, the sea would never again bear witness to the splendour and sparkle that had once been the ship of light, the magnificent SS North.